We're going to be painting USA on a cheek, as we'll be painting on a dark skin. We'll first paint white so the colors will stand out much brighter. Many times as you're painting on a face, your customer is going to lean away from you, so you need someone to hold their head in place. This can happen with an adult just as well as a child. You can see here how bright the colors are after being sprayed over white. And here's the finished cheek art.